So we still have our reactions here. I'm going to show you the elemental analysis, so the characteristics of the compound. If you highlight this benzene ring, for instance, we go down and you click on elemental analysis. You can pick what you want to see, and it'll tell you its molecular weight, the composition, mass spectrum, so on and so forth. And here you can see, you can get the NMR, the charge, solubility, things like that. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to convert our compound structure into a smile string. So you want to highlight your structure, and what you want to do is head up to the toolbar, and you are going to go into, I believe it's edit, and copy as smiles. You're going to select that, and I'm just going to open a Word document. And paste. So the benzene smiles is going to be like that. Okay, so let's try it with a different compound this time, just so we see a difference. Okay, I'm just going to draw a cyclopentane, throw some bonds. I don't really care which bonds, something different. So again, highlight, copy as smiles, go back to Microsoft Word, paste, and you can see that's clearly different. And so now we want to convert the smile string back into a molecule. So we'll copy, and what I would do is search smiles string conversion, and it'll bring you to something like this on Google. I like to use openmolecule.org. Unfortunately, they didn't sponsor me, but that's okay. And so you just want to paste your smile string and click on 2D structure, and what you get is exactly what we drew. And if you want to see it in 3D, you can click get 3D structure. And so the smile string is very important when it comes to, like, it is a very different way of communicating, but once you get used to it, more complex molecules you can send straight to your instructor on an online test instead of having to draw the molecule itself. Your instructor can also send you a smile string, and all you have to do is convert it. Another cool feature on MarvinSketch is that you can actually highlight your compound and actually go to the top there, and you can actually find your chemicals. And so instead of having to copy and paste the name, you can just highlight your compound and it'll do an online search for you. Let me fix the structure, and there you go.